Okay, I've got a question for you. Want to make $4,000 to $5,000 a month starting today, even if you have absolutely zero followers? I know, it sounds kind of crazy, almost too good to be true, right? But the source material we're looking at today attempts to totally shatter a huge myth. It's this idea that you need millions of followers, or a viral channel, or, massive brand sponsorships just to make real money online. The reality presented here is that with the right system, a system laser-focused on direct conversions instead of vanity metrics like follower counts, you can start building a highly lucrative income stream totally from scratch. You literally do not need an existing audience to make this whole thing work.
Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. So today, we're looking at source material that literally claims it can completely change how you generate passive income online. You know, if you've ever felt like making money on social media means you absolutely have to be this massive influencer with millions of fans, well, you're gonna want to pay super close attention to the strategy we're breaking down today. Okay, let's dive into this and look at the mechanics of what the sources are calling the Smart QR Code affiliate system.
Now, I want you to really let this quote sink in for a second. If you are waiting for your social media to be monetized, you are making the biggest mistake of your life. Wow. That is a seriously powerful wake-up call from our sources. I mean, think about it. So many aspiring creators spend years just grinding away, uploading content, crossing their fingers that they'll eventually hit those elusive subscriber thresholds just to get a few pennies from platform ad revenue. It's a total waiting game, and honestly, you're completely at the mercy of the platform. But the source material emphasizes taking back control. It's about not waiting around for permission to monetize. Instead, you're baking a monetization engine directly into the very first piece of content you ever post.
Which brings us to our first major hurdle, the link restriction problem.
So here's the deal. The traditional method is kind of just a trap. When you slap an external affiliate link right in your bio, or your comments, or the video description, the algorithm sees it and bam, it instantly penalizes you. It kills your reach, shadow bans your content, or even worse, completely restricts your account. You put in all that hard work and absolutely nobody sees it. But, as you'll see, the new method completely changes the game. By putting a QR code directly inside the video itself, you aren't actually posting a clickable link that those platform text crawlers can flag. To the platform, it just looks like a regular video graphic. Your reach stays completely safe, but your viewers, they still have a direct, super easy path to buy. Honestly, it's a genius bypass.
So how do we actually do this? Let's get into the Smart QR solution.
Okay, so here's the exact definition of the Smart QR Code system. We're not just talking about a boring, standard QR code that goes to one single product. No, this is a dynamic graphic that links to a fully customizable back-end updatable landing page. You kind of want to think of this landing page as your own personal, unlimited digital storefront. When a viewer scans the QR code that flashes on the screen during your short video, they are instantly redirected right to this page. And on this page, you can list tens, hundreds, literally thousands of affiliate products like stuff from Amazon. And it's all neatly organized with clear titles and numbers. So in your video, you just review a product and say something like, hey, scan the code and click on product number 5. It makes the entire buying process incredibly frictionless for the viewer.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the massive advantage it gives you when it comes to protecting your passive income. Let's say you use a normal, traditional affiliate link on an old video. 6 months down the line, that product goes completely out of stock. Or maybe the link just gets banned. Your income from that video, it dies instantly. And there's really nothing you can do about it. But with this dynamic system, the actual QR code sitting inside your video never changes. If an Amazon link breaks, you literally just log into your custom page's backend and swap out the broken link for a fresh one. The video out there on social media stays exactly the same, people just keep on scanning it, and your money keeps flowing. Your passive income is completely 100% protected.
All right, let's get into the tactical stuff. Here is the step-by-step execution blueprint. So here is your exact step-by-step blueprint. And honestly, the absolute best part about this, it requires zero upfront financial investment. None. Step 1, you join the Amazon Associates program for your specific country. Again, completely free to do. Step 2, you find the products you actually want to promote and you grab your unique tracking link. This link is absolutely crucial because it's what tells Amazon that, hey, you are the one who sent them the buyer. Step 3, you take that specific tracking link and you just drop it right into your custom QR landing page, giving it a nice clear title and a specific number. And finally, step 4, you create a short little review video of that product and you overlay your smart QR code onto the video itself. Bam! The system is fully operational.
Now, of course, setting up the system is really only half the battle, right? Driving traffic is the other half. The core strategy outlined in our sources for massive success all comes down to volume. You're going to want to upload 4 to 5 short review videos every single day. And hey, before you panic, the sources clearly note that there are ways to do this entirely for free without even needing to go out and buy the physical products yourself. By basically flooding the platforms with these short, helpful review videos, you're casting this massive net. You're building curiosity. People see the video, they want the product, they scan the QR code just out of pure convenience, and boom, they buy. Literally every single video you post becomes a tiny little digital salesperson working for you 24/7.
And this right here, this is the magical number you are working toward to start seeing real-world results, $100. As you're consistently posting those 4 to 5 videos a day, people are naturally going to scan, click, and buy through your Amazon links. Amazon is tracking all of this behind the scenes, so your commissions will just naturally begin to stack up. And as soon as your cumulative earnings hit that $100 threshold, Amazon automatically wires the money directly into your bank account. It's that simple. From there, as your entire library of videos keeps growing, hitting that $100 mark happens faster and faster until you're naturally scaling up to that $4,000 to $5,000 a month goal we talked about right at the beginning.
But let's ground things for a second with our next section, learning before earning. The sources are actually very clear on a really crucial point here. There is simply no earning without learning. I mean, there are no shortcuts to this. This is a real system, and just like any real business system, you have to actually learn how to operate it correctly. You need to learn how to set up the Amazon backend, you got to figure out how to configure the dynamic QR landing page, and learn how to actually source and create those daily review videos. Realistically, you need to be prepared to put in around 2 hours of focused work every single day. Honestly, if you don't take the time to learn the system properly, you're just going to be endlessly scrolling social media exactly like everyone else, making $0.
So, that brings us to our final thought for this explainer. Are you ready to stop scrolling and actually start building your passive income system today? You now know that these restrictive platform links are holding everybody else back, and you know exactly how the smart QR code system brilliantly bypasses those restrictions to safely build a lifelong income asset. The sources we reviewed today actually mention a complete, totally free 40-minute step-by-step video tutorial that walks you through literally every single click required to get this all set up. The source material is handing you the blue part on a silver platter. The only real question left is, are you willing to put in the time to learn it? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and we will catch you next time.